Hello friends, we are back with a new video. Before starting, subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell button and like the video. Support me to lengthen the channel and publish more videos. Our channel is interested in everything new and exclusive from the world of technology. Compact body design. Perfect for cleaning tight spots. No more worrying about cleaning dirt and lint from under your furniture. The robot vacuum features a slim and lightweight body design. With a thickness of only 3.07 inches and a diameter of 11 inches. It can be easily placed under beds, sofas and tables for cleaning tasks. Flexible shuttle for all kinds of corners of small spaces and under furniture. To clean more blocked areas. Higher coverage. Suitable for residential homes and small families. Brushless suction port. The powerful digital motor of the robot vacuum cleaner provides great power. The robot vacuum has a unique air inlet design, so you don't have to worry about clogging and tangling compared to brush reel-type robot vacuums. The brushes on both sides quickly collect and absorb large particles and fine dust for effective cleaning. Perfect for families with pets. Infrared sensing. Previously avoid obstacles. This robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with 11 groups of anti-collision sensors and 3 groups of infrared sensing for fall protection, as well as free move technology, allowing it to intelligently avoid walls, stairs and obstacles to avoid falling and avoiding falling and colliding with things, instead of reacting only after collision, such as mechanical collision. It can climb up to 15 degrees and can effectively clean hardwood floors and short pile carpets. Long run time and automatic charging. This robot vacuum cleaner is equipped with a long-lasting battery that can provide long run time with 3 gears, 130 minutes in quiet mode, 95 minutes in standard mode and 75 minutes in max mode. When cleaning is complete or when the battery is less than 15%, the robotic vacuum cleaner will automatically return to the charging base to recharge. For efficient cleaning modes, EICOBOT robot vacuum cleaner offers 4 cleaning modes, allowing you to switch between them via the remote control according to your cleaning needs. Automatic charging, spot cleaning, edge cleaning, zigzag planning. The robotic vacuum cleaner is controlled by a remote control and is easy to understand and operate without complications such as Bluetooth or app connection. It is also friendly to the elderly. The second type of smart vacuum is the Brava M6. Scan that fits seamlessly into your life. Perfect for multiple rooms and large spaces. Moves around objects and under furniture. Cleans hard floors, including hardwood, tile, and stone. Guided by Sirius intelligence. With Navigate and Peace, the M6 learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps, allowing it to clean and expertly navigate neat, efficient rows. If the battery runs low, it recharges and resumes cleaning. Clear up the mess right now. Spilled coffee on the floor tracking a dog in the mud. The M6 can target specific areas within your rooms, such as in front of the sofa or under the table, for easy hands-free mopping, with the request of your voice assistant or via the app. Complete control of your cleaning. With smart maps, the robot knows your kitchen from your living room, so you can decide where to clean and when. With no contact zones, your robot knows to avoid sensitive areas like pet bowls or play areas. Clean and unique to you. The BravoJet M6 robotic mop is smarter than ever, learning where and when you usually clean and suggesting personalized schedules, so you can focus on everything else.